Do you know making granola is so easy? Hello Sweet Fingers lovers, it's your favorite girl again, Chef Basse, and on today's episode I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make your granola. In a bowl, you go in with your oats. Feel free to use any oats of your choice, but for me, I'm using Quaker oats. After that, you go in with your honey and also your nutmeg. Your nutmeg is just there to help enhance your flavor. Then after that, you mix together and make sure all ingredients are properly combined together. After that, I went in with a little bit of honey because the first one was not enough. Then I continued to mix again. Mixing it to make sure everything is well combined. After that, you go in with your salt. Salt has a way of balancing your taste. So you mix everything together. Then after that, you make sure your parchment paper is ready. So you bring out your parchment paper and then you line it properly. Then after that, you're going to pour in your mixed oats there. Make sure it is well properly laid, and after that you're going to put it in your oven and allow it to bake for 15 minutes. Mind you, you need to check on it and also stir it to make sure everything is well dried so it doesn't get burnt. After 15 minutes, I brought it out. Mind you, I was stirring it. Time for us to go in with our dried ingredients. Then I went in with my dried fruits and my raisins mixed together. Then after that, I went in with my dates. Then also my coconut flakes, dried coconuts. So I mixed them together. Then I kept in the oven for just 2 minutes to get all dried up, and this is what we have. So nice, so yummy. So if you have any difficulty in creating or recreating any recipe, kindly drop it in the comment section and Chef Bressa is going to recreate for you. Thank you so much for watching my video. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share for your friends, and save. And don't forget to let me know what you think about this video, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye.